Setting up a Square payment Shopper microsite begins with accepting the invitation email to access your microsite using the Form Builder portal. Note that the invitation is valid for 24 hours and contains your temporary username and passcode. Log into your microsite using the provided temporary username and passcode via the Form Builder portal. In the editor, locate and select the Payments option on the left-hand side of the screen. Next, choose Square as your payment processor. In the upper right-hand corner, click on the Connect option. You will be redirected to the Square login page. Log into your Square account to complete the connection process. In the microsite editor, you will see that the Square payment option has been added. Click the option to enable the processor on the upper right side. You will then see that the processor is enabled.